Welcome to Best Choice. The Best 212 Predator exhaust is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for performance enthusiasts looking to squeeze every last drop of power and sound out of their engines, offering a significant boost in both horsepower and torque while delivering an aggressive, throaty exhaust note that commands attention on the road or track. Number 5. FVRITO Colorful Upgrade Header Exhaust Pipe Kit. Introducing a performance upgrade designed to enhance your engine's power. This kit is engineered for a wide range of popular small engines, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Experience a visually stunning upgrade with its unique shark fin design and a sophisticated baking paint process. The bright, stable colors are built to last, adding a cool aesthetic to your equipment. Crafted with high-quality TIG welding and thick, solid pipes, this exhaust system delivers a powerful and satisfying sound. It's built for performance and longevity. Get back to riding faster with its straightforward installation process. Everything you need is included in the package for a convenient and hassle-free setup. This performance part is specifically designed for non-Hemi Predator 212 cubic centimeters and 196 cubic centimeters engines, as well as GX160, GX200 and other compatible clone engines. It fits a variety of go-karts, mini bikes, and more. Each piece boasts a unique color distribution, making your upgrade truly one of a kind. Exposing it to sunlight can even enhance its vibrant appearance. What we like. This option stands out with its vibrant, stable colors and unique shark fin design. If you're looking to add a personalized and eye-catching aesthetic to your go-kart or mini bike, this is the choice for you. It's perfect for riders who want their machine to look as good as it performs. What people say. The exhaust has a deep, throaty sound that really enhances the V-twin rumble. Installation was straightforward, and it fit perfectly on my bike without any modifications. The polished finish looks amazing and has held up well against heat and road debris. Number 4. FVRITO Exhaust Pipe Muffler Silencer Kit. This exhaust system is designed for a wide range of popular mini bikes and go-karts, including models with Predator, Coleman, and other compatible engines. Ensure a perfect fit for your machine. Experience superior craftsmanship with our high-quality TIG welding. This integrated design not only looks great but also prevents rust and flaking for a durable finish. Boost your mini bike's power with this performance-driven exhaust kit. Its robust construction ensures a secure connection and improved sound quality, delivering a satisfying low-frequency tone. Built to last, this exhaust features thickened pipe walls and flanges for a reliable connection. Fewer weld points mean less risk of rust and greater overall strength. Everything you need for installation is in the box. This comprehensive package includes the header pipe, muffler, and all necessary hardware for a hassle-free setup. Installation is straightforward. Please verify dimensions and check for clearance with your fender and frame before mounting. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This kit offers an integrated design with fewer weld points, reducing rust and improving durability. If you desire a perfect low-frequency sound and enhanced power output for your mini bike, this is the ideal upgrade. It's best suited for riders who prioritize performance and a clean, robust build. What people say. It is sturdy and all the welds appear to be very good. The muffler does a good job of toning it down and gets rid of the bubble sound a straight pipe makes. Has a great tone, not too loud, not too quiet with muffler on. The quality is really good, sounds great on the bike, great airflow, no loss of power. Number 3. 90 degrees exhaust pipe for Predator 212 and Honda GX series. Introducing a high-quality, durable exhaust pipe designed for optimal engine performance. This part is built to last, ensuring reliable use for your vehicle. Specifically engineered for Honda GX160, GX200, and Predator 212 cubic centimeters and 208 cubic centimeters engines. It's also compatible with various go-karts and mini bikes, ensuring a precise fit. Crafted from high-quality materials, this exhaust pipe offers exceptional strength and longevity. You can count on its robust construction for demanding applications. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process with this brand-new, high-quality replacement part. It's designed for easy setup and immediate use, getting you back on the road quickly. This package includes everything you need: one exhaust pipe, a gasket, and 2 screws. We've made it convenient for you to complete the upgrade. Before placing your order, please verify that this exhaust pipe is the correct model for your vehicle. Ensuring compatibility guarantees a perfect match and optimal performance. What we like. Featuring a practical 90-degree bend, this exhaust pipe is designed for straightforward installation and compatibility. If you need a reliable and durable exhaust solution that fits specific engine configurations without complex modifications, this is a great option. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and those seeking a no-fuss replacement. What people say. It is short like it defines in the pictures and says the length as I saw people complaining, which I laughed. It's perfect if you're building a drift trike and don't want to smash your exhaust on anything when you're out sliding. The sound is crazy. Really like this setup on my go-kart. It works great with the small block engines. First of all, the finish looks much better than the online photos show. It's nice and shiny. It woke up me and the kids' project bike. Sounds like a hog. Nice pops. Number 2. Exhaust muffler for Predator 196 cubic centimeters, 212 cubic centimeters, GX 160, GX 200. Enhance the power and sound of your mini bike, go-kart, or generator. This exhaust system is designed for optimal performance. Specifically engineered for Predator 196 cubic centimeters and 212 cubic centimeters engines, as well as Honda GX 160 and GX 200 models. Enjoy a seamless installation. Everything you need is in the box: an exhaust pipe, muffler, screws, gasket, and an explosion-proof nut. Get ready to install with ease. Crafted for longevity and consistent performance. This essential component will keep your equipment running smoothly for longer. We stand by our product with 100% satisfactory service. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll resolve them promptly. What we like. This package comes complete with a muffler for a quieter ride and fits a wide range of engines. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to improve your mini bike or generator's exhaust system, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who want a complete kit with reliable customer support. What people say. Much quieter than the original muffler, which was my original intention. The actual pipe seems to be made out of decent quality metal. This muffler package fit perfectly and looks great being all chrome, very good quality. Number 1. Exhaust muffler for Honda GX 160 GX 200 DuroMax 7 HP Predator 212 cubic centimeters. Upgrade your engine with this high-quality exhaust and muffler. It's designed for a perfect fit and optimal performance. This part is compatible with a range of popular engines, including the Predator 212 cubic centimeters, Honda GX 160 and GX 200, and DuroMax 7 HP models. The package includes everything you need for installation: the exhaust with muffler, lock washers, nuts, and a gasket. Enjoy a straightforward installation process. It's designed as a direct replacement for a hassle-free experience. You'll receive a brand new, perfectly fitting part. It's ready to enhance your engine's exhaust system. What we like. This option includes a muffler for a balanced performance and sound profile, designed for a perfect fit with popular engines. If you are seeking a brand new, compatible exhaust system that ensures a secure and effective installation, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for owners who want a direct replacement that works seamlessly. What people say. It is a lot quieter than the stock muffler. If you are looking for a muffler that fits a Predator 212 swap onto a Chinese ATV frame, this works well without modifying the frame. This thing sounds great and fits nicely under the seat out of the way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.